this one is actually very quick, but I think not less interesting because of it. Because there's actually two main ways that I see in TheyDo that you can use to create overview of your journeys. In this case, because of course, the customer journey framework has been created to create overview rooted in the perspective of your customers. So, the way that you subdivide your whole customer experience into different boards or stages is really like based on customer jobs. You start with awareness, purchase, use, for example, and then I renew or I leave. And that's all great. But if you're working in a company, there's a lot of times where you're like, well, it's great to think customer centric, of course, but I just want to know, I work in marketing. What are the journeys or the opportunities or solutions that I'm responsible for in marketing? That's also something that's not less relevant in a lot of times. So for that, tags also become really important. So remember the group tags that I mentioned before? Those are perfectly fit for that. So if you, for example, look at the opportunities, if you're someone that works in product and you just want to know like, hey, what opportunities are there that I can pick up with, my product team, for example, or if I'm in sales, like, what could we improve in the sales pipeline? If you've tagged all your opportunities, solutions, and journeys based on those groups, creating those filtered overviews is super easy. So you can pretty much just, use these different tags to create those overviews and inspire